Welcome back to the channel, gearheads. Today, we're diving into a true American icon, the Corvette Grand Sport. A car that blends breathtaking performance with timeless style. Buckle up as we explore what makes this beast a legend on the road and the track. The story of the Grand Sport begins in the 1960s with Zora Arkus-Duntov's vision to dominate the racetrack. Originally designed as a lightweight racer, only 5 prototypes were ever built, making them some of the most coveted cars in the world. Fast forward to today, and the Grand Sport carries on this racing heritage with modern engineering. From its sleek aerodynamics to its muscular stance, the Grand Sport is unmistakably a Corvette. The wide fenders, racing stripes, and Grand Sport badging scream performance. This isn't just a car, it's a statement on wheels. Under the hood, the Grand Sport is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine delivering 460 horsepower. Paired with a 7-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic, it rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. And with its advanced suspension and Brembo brakes, this car isn't just fast, it's razor-sharp in the corners. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cabin. From the premium leather seats to the state-of-the-art infotainment system, the Grand Sport combines luxury with performance. And let's not forget the adrenaline-pumping exhaust note. It's music to any car enthusiast's ears. I had the chance to take this car for a spin, and let me tell you, it's an experience like no other. The power, the handling, the connection to the road, it's everything you could want in a sports car. The Grand Sport isn't just about numbers, it's about the thrill of the drive. So, what do you think of the Corvette Grand Sport? Is it the ultimate blend of heritage and performance? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive adventures. Next time.